What's up, world? It's your boy Nashawn here. Welcome back to the channel. Kinda excited, a little sad a little bit, but more excited than sad. The sad part, it's time to say goodbye to my Galaxy S8 Plus. Cracked screen, poor performance. It's come that time to replace it, and I just got the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Oh man, you know, this is actually one of the best phones on the market right now. The 2021 phone, 128 gigabytes of RAM of this model, 6.8 inches of screen real estate. I think that's more than enough. The quad camera, oh my god, can't wait. It's just so much things I'm so excited about to do. The broadcasting mode, so you can vlog from the camera. We're definitely gonna see what kind of pictures they can take, video quality, and I know it's gonna be so much snappier than my old S8 Plus. But salute to my S8 Plus. The tour of duty is coming to an end. It's not a total loss because you always gotta keep a trap phone, little Wi-Fi phone, and you can YouTube running while you're doing other stuff. All right, peoples, let's dig in. Galaxy S21 Ultra unboxing. Samsung cover protecting the face. Nice, look at that. That's a thing of beauty. Yeah, this look wicked. Right, so this is the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Alright, let's set this one aside. See what else. This is the SIM key that comes with it. You gotta swap out the SIM card. Too bad this generation we don't have a memory card. Terms and conditions, which is expected. Quick reference guide. You know, typical stuff we don't read when we get a new phone. That's the charger. Okay, so we're getting a double USB-C charger cable, because as you should know by now, Galaxy are not sending any more charger bricks. I guess they figure we've had enough charging bricks over the years. But I really do like the finish of the Galaxy S21 Ultra IG. This is the black version. So let's guy that was setting up my phone with the T-Mobile and fumble around and end up flipping off my front face. I wanted to save this for my peoples on the channel. We're gonna start with look at that. I wasn't even expecting that. Nice matte black finish. Very smooth. Enough talking. Money. It's pure. Wow. That's just awesome. It's beautiful. It's a thing of beauty. I think Samsung really outdone himself with this phone right here. Very classy design. Very nice. I'm definitely gonna have to get a case and take this phone. Alright, so that was the unboxing. This is basically not much. I guess, it's 2021, so we're not gonna expect to see too many gadgets, earplugs, ear devices, and chargers, and S Pens. Keep it very minimal. I guess for the phone, it's kind of expensive. It's less is more. Very impressed with Samsung's design this time around. This is way nicer than my Galaxy S8 Plus. It's matte black finish. The cameras, nicely positioned. I'm not going to say there's a little rise in it, so definitely going to make sure we got this protected. We don't want any incidental drops, because that's definitely going to be the first thing that hits the ground if it drops flat on its back. Well, let's play around with this some more. Show you what it's looking like. Let's maybe take some photos and some stills, some videos. Mess around. Got S21 on the channel, y'all. Right. Alright, let's dive off into the phone. Let's take a look and see what to expect. Alright, so here we can see it definitely moves a little bit faster. Not even a little bit. You definitely see the response, especially as a fresh out the box new phone. Slides through the pages pretty quickly. Definitely snappier. I feel the Snapdragon processor working diligently. It doesn't look too different than typical Android OS. Certain things have carried over from the previous generations. I'm pretty sure as I spend more time with it, I get to see more unique settings. Let's take a closer look into these cameras. Quad camera setup, definitely industry standard right now. You got the laser autofocus sensor, making sure we get the best, sharpest quality pictures. 3x 10 megapixel telephoto camera. We got the ultra wide 12 megapixel camera up top, 108 wide camera in the middle. The 10x 10 megapixel telephoto camera rounds it all off. You know that means we get an awesome depth of field. We get zoom lenses without distorted or any noisy pictures. Definitely a plus, especially when you're sporting events. And the 10-40 forward camera has 10 megapixels as well. So in Pro mode, just going over some of the settings, seeing what we can access while it's in Pro mode. Taking a look at my trusty T6. Just playing around. A lot of settings that definitely to get. Just about to spend more time with it. So I took the phone with me on my trip to New York. I wanted to see what get some video. I knew I was going to get an opportunity to take some good videos, to see the quality. Just looking out the plane, see to the left, the peninsula, that's Far Rockaway right there, coming in close to JFK while we landed. But look, man, it's just some of the quality that the cameras want to give you. Alright, so the big selling feature for me when it comes to this device was the director's view. One of the options that you can find inside of the camera when you hit more. The director's view is an awesome feature to have us streamers, vloggers, YouTubers, content creators, whatever you want to call us. It utilizes the face-forward camera and the rear cameras to simulate live streaming. So you can keep the perspective on the subject as well as yourself, and you can have different configurations of how you want to set the camera as far as what wants to be the main subject and what wants to be on the small camera. And you can move it around, and you can also turn it off. So all my mobile gamers out there, don't worry, this phone is more than capable to handle all your daily needs as well as satisfy your gaming itch that we might have. I quickly logged it into my Game Pass, got some Forza Horizon 4 in, and Call of Duty Black Ops action in, and it wasn't too bad. The octa-core processors definitely hold up the task. The HD resolution is giving vivid colors. The variable refresh rate from 10 Hz to 120 Hz, rivaling most modern TVs. Gamers will be pleased. The battery life is actually good too, depending on usage. You know, if you're going to be heavy gamers, you have your screen bright, you're going to use more power than normal. I use my phone heavy social media, and I can keep my phone off the charger for about 2 days. So let's get into the colors. I have the Phantom Black. They offer brown, navy, silver, which is also going by Phantom Titanium, and the white. They probably have more by now, but by the time I copped mine, Phantom Black was the only one that was in stock. Another cool feature that I could add to the list is it uses Samsung's S Pen from the Galaxy Note phone. It allows you to sign documents, you can draw, edit on photos, you can use it as a presentation clicker. So many different options you can use the S Pen for. The technology is improved. It doesn't look like chicken scratch or, you know, a baby has written on over your phone or whatever the case is. But course, everything has their pros and cons in life. You already know how that goes. Let's start with the cons. I don't like the fact that it doesn't have expansion storage. I feel whatever capacity phone you get, you should still be able to have an extra memory card in there. For whatever reason you want to use a swappable memory card, you should still always have that. Leave that up to the consumer. The headphones, I know everybody is using Bluetooth headphones, but not everybody. It's a little bit of getting used to. The new placement of the fingerprint button is in the center of the other screen here. This little white dot area is where you place your fingerprint. As the previous generations, we used to put your finger right here, open up the phone, but you don't do that anymore. What else do I don't like about the phone? The stock ringers, horrible. This collection of ringtones that you gotta use for a ringer are awful. Pros, that's enough for the bad. But let's talk about the pros, because this is still a slick phone. This phone is one of the fastest, sharpest phone that I've actually had the pleasure of going through. As I touch the app, it pops right up right in the front. This thing is super fast. Favorite feature on the phone has to be director's view, aka streamer mode, vlogger mode. I love having the two cameras, can be on the road, doing what I do away from my DSLR, and I can still act like I'm streaming and capture some great footage out there. Another feature that's excellent, the voice quality of the calls vastly improved with this one. Speakerphone, when you have them on speaker, you don't have the speakerphone and you have it at your ear still talking. With this phone, this generation, the speaker is way louder. Call quality is clear, crisp. It sounds like someone is talking next to you on and off the speakerphone. Now, if you got an S21 Ultra already, let me know in the comments, how do you feel about it? Do you think it's as good as I make it out to be? If you're using an older generation, do you think it's time for you to upgrade, or you think the S20 is good enough to hold down maybe till the S22? Or if you're an iPhone user, do you still think that your phone is superior? I don't know. Let's talk about it. Let me know in the comments. We talk about all different types of things, all types of gadgets, so I want to know what you feel about it. If you like this video, you like me, you like this channel, I don't know. You like me, you like this channel, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Do all the YouTube thingies. I'm looking to see you back again. See you later. So LaShawn, peace!